Hello everyone. It's a great honor today. I've been invited to Comgrow to do a live stream with Q and our technician colleagues. So uh,
Jackie.
Jackie, okay. So Jackie, and I think Q will
Good evening.
introduce himself. Yeah. Okay. So how are you doing, everyone? And I think today's topic, we will talk about the how to engrave on stainless steel by Creality 3 printer industry with laser module kit, 5 watts. I think it's like a, it's like 6 days ago. Our colleague, I think you uh, post on Creality official industry user group and got questioned that if this laser module have the ability to really engrave on the whether the brushless stainless steel or the normal one. So today I think you will introduce more about this.
Yes, last week when I posted that, and most people think that our laser kit cannot engrave on the stainless steel directly. They think maybe it is painting or coated and just work on the surface of the coating. And now today we are going to prove that we will prove to all that we will engrave on the stainless steel directly. First, we are going to do is just let you show that this one is with engraved before the tiger, okay? And today we are going to in this blank one. And the first, you can notice here the machine, it just can check the power of this laser is 5 watts. So we will to show you the checking process. And when checking result is 5 watts, and our technology support colleague will install the laser kit into this industry. And when it is done, and we are going to start engrave. So first, let's welcome Jackie to test the laser kit first.
So guys, I want to share a little bit more about this post that when people question that if the laser engraver, yes, will work out on stainless steel, that people said 5 watts won't touch metal and got 6 sum up. And even people said, Corey said, it's garbage. I called bullshit as well. So, and also Scott said, I wouldn't touch that listing. Half says 40 watts and half, yes, 5 watts. So, and then this Matthew said, anybody that knows anything about laser will tell you this is BS. So, okay, so etc. stuff. And then Jeff also said, I can tell you that the having a 15 module on Ender 3 is still pretty useless on anything other than wood or acrylic. So yeah, so there are so many questions. So today we want answer you all that if this is really BS or we really serious, we are serious about this accessories, okay? So our technician Jackie will just show you more of the how to first he will just test and make sure this laser kit is actually the real 5 watts of the laser power. So Jackie, please. OK，你别，我还没调。OK，还没有切换镜头，所以不需要调那么低。
Okay, you can notice that the power for the laser head is 5.13 now.
继续。Yeah. So I think that just as Hugh said, that our technician just use this machine. First, make sure that we are not doing any bullshit or fake things. That it's okay. It's 5 watts of laser power. Okay, then we are going next. So
Okay, just Jackie will install the laser kit on the 3.
Okay. So we'll change the camera so you can see the full view. That. So first, Jackie just turn off the printer. Okay, so here question. Since Jackie just installed this laser module. So Hugh, will it work on any Creality 3D printer?
No, this laser kit will only works on the 3 and then S3 Pro and S3 V2.
N3, N3 Pro, and N3 V2. Okay.
Yes. Is it ready? Okay. Now you can notice that this is a mirrored stainless steel, and here is one for the brushed stainless steel. And last time, we also test on the brushed stainless steel. Today we are going to engrave on this mirrored stainless steel.
So 你弄好之后先不要开始，我调下镜头，然后再开始。So everybody, so since Jackie just adjusted the position of the mirror and the distance of from the build plate to the laser head, and we will just adjust the camera and make sure you just see detail of the process. So I think that we will give you a very close look of the. So a minute. Adjust the angle.
Okay.
All right. So I think Jackie will continue to to just show you more of how this thing works. Okay. And Triple Garage, thank you for joining us, and thank you, Paul, for asking the questions. And I think everybody knows that which printer it works. And Sydney, where can okay, so if I don't know if you're asking that if you could buy in the laser kit, that I will give you both links of the official store and also the Amazon. So which you prefer, you will just take more close look of the detailed information. Okay, so here you go, and okay, I see more. I think more question here that people asking that I think
Is it?
Elijah said that is the 10 watt going to be available soon.
Yeah, we have the 10 watts in stock, but didn't make them online because we think that most people need the 5 watts. And if you're really interested in the 10 watts, we will make it on the official website.
Okay. So yeah, it will be available soon on Amazon and both official stores. And thank you, LG, that yes, we have the link posted in the description part. And yeah, and any further questions, please ask here. Yeah. Okay. So this laser kit, the electric power is 40 watts, and the laser power is 5 watts.
Yes. And
Okay.
you can notice that usually we just make the engraving process. We always wear the laser goggles. But in this case, here we have you can run it along with the red parts. It can protect our eyes, so we don't need the laser goggles during the engraving process. So no matter how many people around the machines, we don't need to worry about our eyes.
Yeah, so we consider the safety issues first. Okay, so I think there's a new question here that Baba just asking that is it optical 10 watts or the amount of electrical power? So I think we just answer your question. Okay, so electric power is 40 watt and laser power is 5 watt. Yeah. So any further questions, please ask him here. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So Baba asked that, and on the 10 watts versus your releasing soon. Yeah. Yeah. As just Hugh said that Amazon store are already in stock, but they not go online sale yet. But it should be very soon. So how long?
We have it in stock, and if you need it, we can make it in 24 hours.
Okay. So they could buy tomorrow technically.
Yes.
Yeah. So okay. So you just please just watch out and think keep an eye on the Amazon store.
Not Amazon, just official store.
Official store. Okay. So official store. Okay. I think I will share the link again that we will have the 10 watt. It's already in the warehouse and we'll go sell. I think the earliest time is tomorrow. So you may check back on the official store and see more detailed info. Okay. And also and see if you're interested to buying and try one. Okay. So I will just share again of the official store here. But today we have the this kind of special offer here. But also, guys, if you more trust Amazon, so you can also check Amazon stores that they also have some. But what about Amazon? That any schedule we have in the future to sell 10 watts laser?
Because 10 watts in Amazon, the Amazon have the very strictly rules for laser kit, so we may not sell the 10 watts on the Amazon.
Okay. So John, in very short time we can sell the 10 watts on Amazon. Right.
No, I think the Amazon's the rules for the laser kit is very strictly.
So
we don't sell 10
Okay.
watts on Amazon, just sell it on our
Okay.
brand store.
Okay. So as Hugh said that, so here's a question here. Compatible board for this laser. Yeah. I think as far as we know that it since it's I think okay, maybe I will change back to that. I just want to let you guys saying that we are here. Okay, so we're back to the engraving process. Yeah, 32 bytes. So we are
32，我们是那个主板，
主板支持的话是8位、32位都支持吗？因为他们有些人买的老的机器是8位的主板，有些人买新30，是它会不兼容吗？还是没都可以？
是需要
不同的部件，所以跟它是几位没关系，跟它的固件有关系。所以它要刷部件吗？
对，需要刷部件。
但是4.7。Is our technician Jackie said that yes, 32 bytes board, yes, is a must. Yeah, but we will have information release on the page for double confirmation. Okay, yeah, just you need to use at least 刚才是4.2.2是吧？然后再往前还有一个最新的是多少？4.2.6，刚才你说的。
没有，就是这两个都是这个4.2.2、4.2.7标配。
Okay, so as I just said, I think posted here that yeah, if your board is 4.2.2 version or your board is 4.2.27 version, that should be okay. Yeah. So it have the requirements. If you are not, yeah. So Baba said that discount code 10D93J2U is coming up as valid. 就是你这个无效，你的优惠券无效。Okay. Yeah, I think Hugh will check on the store background and backstage and see if anything we set wrong. Okay. And so Kane's 3D print said it worked when I input it. Yeah, that's great. That's great to hear. Yeah. Oh, 所以另外一个人说是他现在放进去是可以的。Okay, so Kane, thank you so much for showing for say for us that yours worked out. 所以他那个你的这个店是哪个区域的？
只有美国。
Okay, so I don't know if because this Amazon store is only for US, so I don't know if Baba you live in another country or something that maybe it's valid.
Yeah, the link is only for US and only US store.
Okay. Yeah. So talking about this, since this is a kind of a new product we are selling, so temporarily we just sell to US, but I think for later on that we will sell to EU, yeah, and also other countries. Yeah. Okay. So I think we work out that yes, Baba is in Canada, so yes, as you said, that makes sense. Yes, so you can buy.
Yeah, as you can buy from our brand store.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, since now, but yeah, as you said that you may also check on our official store that we could send from I think from China directly. Yeah, but Amazon is definitely more convenient for you. Yeah.
And now I will show you some stuff that we make from other time. This is the headshot, and this is the score. We make the engraved laser, and this text we make it on for tree. And these all are the laser engraving. And you can notice on our background, there are some laser cutting models. It can show you that we just our the 5 5 laser kits can also do the laser cutting. You can
Yeah.
change the camera to the background. Just show us some laser cutting stuff.
你要不拿过来
OK
拿过来看吧，太远了。你拿来看看细节，细节他就看这个就没有什么用。
We notice that, and there are more some models on our website, and you can download them and just make the same laser cutting.
Yeah, it's very interesting thing that this one. Oh, it's kind of broke, I think. Yeah. Yeah, I just I'm just asking the. I'm just asking. So we have already go like halfway of a whole process. So, 那时间有大概10分钟、5分钟、8分钟。然后现在10点半。那9点就多久嘛？大概。反正11点之前要搞完。11点之前是吧？Okay, so I think we have like less than 30 minutes to finish this engraving process. So thank you so much for joining here. And any question, please continue to ask. That I think that today's main purpose we are live here is to let you know that this 5-watt laser module definitely can engrave on this mirror stainless steel or even brushless stainless steel. Okay.
Yes, you can. If you have any question, you can just ask us.
And I see people still here waiting for the result. I don't know if you guys how are you doing lately, and where are you from? Like you all from the United States, or are you from Canada, or even from the like United Kingdom or German? I know some of you that even work very late. So yeah. And how's everything going? I think lately China has this COVID virus kind of raised up a little bit compared to last month. I think it's kind of like 5 or 4 states have the COVID cases rising. I don't know if your country is still kind of going down and everybody is just doing the normal life, or are you still have the lockdown in your country, or yeah.
Yeah, for the laser kit, it not only works on straight, it can also works on thin engraving rotors and maybe other laser masters. And for now, we just always have the one in the USA, and we also have sent the inventory to the Europe German stock.
Yeah. Okay, so there is a question here. I think our Jackie may need to answer this. That he said, any grade of stainless steel，就是哪一个级别的？
我们比如说我们
这个不锈钢是
304还是600还是几分几的？只要是镜面的，不管它什么东西。Okay, for now our suggest team members saw that it's doesn't matter the grade. It's all the mirrored standstill series can be worked, can be compatible.
Yeah.
Yes, because I think most people don't think the white walls cannot work. Maybe the others laser kit are mostly the autofocus laser kit, but ours are the compressed support. So the power for the laser kit is very strong.
Okay. There now question that what software are you using, and how to send to the laser?
Okay, for the on the three, we just make the fuse on the SD card, and in the future we also make the board，就是主板是直接做一个主板吗？对，we our team is just making the board which you can connect the machine with the computer and you can just work on the computer directly without the SD card.
Mm-hmm.
Workshop.
Workshop. OK。那这样圈是不是这个？是这个名字？是这个吧？
是。
Yeah. I think we will share the software later and let you know what's it. But we just confirmed with the technician. He said that it's workshop. That yeah. Okay, and Joseph does said from USA, Virginia. Yeah, it's kind of okay. It's kind of already a dark assume in your area. Yeah. I don't know if it's already like 10 o'clock p.m. or something. That yeah. So thank you so much for joining with us. John asked, is there a UK site that can be purchased from? Temporarily, as we just said that the Amazon is only for USA customers, but the official store sell to UK too. So you may check out here. But temporarily, as we handling is sent directly from China, but I think we will also have the overseas warehouse stock soon. But temporarily, that if you're buying that, we could only send from China. So yeah. Oh, so Bob said that he would like to try the software first before buying.
Yes, you can notice we have already uploaded some using using video on Comgrow official website in the Facebook. It is about to show how to use in the workshop.
Okay, so let me just check out if we just I think we should definitely upload to the here. Which one?
I just upload it from to YouTube to Facebook.
Okay. So guys, let me find out the link and see. Yeah. Yeah, of course. That we also recommended if you like to use the software first to kind of see if it's easy and functional. Okay. Yeah, I think that's a concern that myself will consider if I bought any product related to this kind of yeah. Non-farm, how are you doing? Thank you so much for joining with us, and that thank you for the yeah, thank you for the comment that non-farm said that's a nice background with a wood shelf and the arts. Yeah, it kind of take us so much times to engrave this interesting stuff. I think if there is a chance that you could try, I think you also will find even more interesting and innovative project that for yourself or for your work or even for family. I think with, but yes, since this laser is kind of have this protector part already, so I think it's kind of safe to play with the children. But of course, children should be wear the glass, even we not wear. But yeah, this should be double safety concerns. But yes, I think this is an interesting one. Yeah. Open builds. This is a question I think Jackie may need to answer. So, John, thanks so much for joining in. Your question is, will the laser be compatible with an open build controller and power supply？就是它能被它跟这个东西兼容吗？这个叫 open builds，你知道这个东西吗 ？Yeah，sorry that since I'm a salesperson, so that our technician replies he did not know the open build stuff, but we will check back with our senior engineering and reply you later on our Comgrow page. So please follow us and we will answer all the questions later one by one. That if it's compatible with one open builds controller and power supply. Or first of all, you could share a link so we may just know exactly what you are meaning. Okay. Yeah.
For your question, I think we didn't test it first, and our support team can test it first. And if it works, we will tell you and make a video on our Facebook or YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay. Just.
So we finished. Okay. Give a minute to change the camera. Okay.
Yes, because it's. You notice that we because due to time we just make the small tag height. You can notice that.
你别动，你就停在那边，让它，对，让它等一会儿，对，刚好可以。你就去衬那个背那个反射的那个白背景，这样更明显。对，好，对，好，继续放在这儿。I think you guys will see the tiger. Okay, I think the focus is yeah. I just asked my colleague Hugh don't move, but actually he does not move. Just his hand is shaking. So.
Yeah, because I can't make it stop here.
But I think you guys say what we got here. We do engrave on this brushless stainless steel. So
it's a mirror stainless.
Yes. Oh, sorry. Mirror stainless steel. So it works. Okay.
It's not coated or painting. Just engraving directly.
Yeah. So the surface. Yes. So the surface is kind of not coated with anything. I think you see the effects here. Yeah. But if anything you still want to know or interested, please ask a question here. So also our people will also yes, maybe know a little bit more of this kind of product. Yeah. Okay. So maybe we just put the middle here. Okay. So I think you. Yeah. I think you see the tiger. I don't know if
the tiger can be here.
Yeah. Yep, I think you guys should see that this is a really awesome, yeah, awesome build. So I don't know if you guys do not have any questions. Hugh, do you have any thing want to share?
If someone have any other questions, if you don't have any other question about this, we will be finish our Steam thing.
Yeah. But anyway, I think Hugh will share more information about the question we not answered. Okay, so I mean, there are so many questions we are not answered.
Okay.
Some of them. So you may answer later with the post.
Okay.
Okay. So I think everyone's question will get answered whether we know it or not. If we don't know, we will tell you we don't know. So So to as we check the other place, yeah. But just today's purpose, we just reply to that post that this laser engraving. I will say it again that the electric power is 40 watts and the laser power is 5 watts. It can engrave on the stainless steel, whether this brushless or it's uh, mirror type. Okay, so okay, Baba still asking that if there's link for the software.
workshop，我那个软件是自带的还是
我们打字机然后会有那个内存好的会有。
？OK， on the when you 是买机器还是买激光图？
激光头。
Oh, on the when you buy the kit for the fireworks, there will be a SD card with the workshop software. So you don't worry about the download link. You can just use the SD card directly.
Okay, I think his Baba's question is that how can he try this software? Okay, try to use the software. If he not buying, he not buy the laser. He just want to use the software first.
OK，客户就是问他，他在这个购买这个东西之前，他有没有地方去下载这个链接？
试一下。
这个可以在网上找到的。
Google. Okay, I was working suggest you can Google the workshop on the website.
可以让他去购买。
Okay, you can visit the official website for the Google of the workshop.
Yeah. And also, I think Joseph just said asked a question here. When you cut wood, is it in multiple passes? 就是说你在切割这个还是个问题，你在切这个木头的时候，是不是这个应该是我不知道这个技术怎么说，是多路径的吗，还是怎么样吗？
是需要多切几次？
它的最大切割厚度是4毫米的模板，可以完全换上一次性。
那这边我写的4mm 对吧？
对。
One time. That's smart.
Wow. Okay. Okay, John said he interested. 他非常感兴趣 but need confirmation of suitability for open builds here. He have N5 Pro and hybrid CNC which begin life as a ThinkSmart 4030, which is now controlled by the open builds controller, etc. So that controller does have a laser port, but I don't know the specs. And he said it's 3, 4, 5 a.m. here. So I assume you are usually in German or France or somewhere. Yes, thank you so much for joining with us. And I think you should you should sleep soon, right? It's kind of very late, or you just wake up. I don't know. Yeah, have a good night, John. 刚才先走了。哦，England。OK， 跟我们差7个小时，现在是凌晨3点45。Yeah, I think we will later share the link of the software, right? And you guys could try if you feel the easy and the functional and the powerful of that software.
Yes, you can also reference the link just sent by Hugh. This is the link to show you how to install the little kit on N3 and how to use the workshop.
Yeah, I think it's pretty much everything we want to show today, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so I think we should say bye and catch you guys later. And you guys have a good night. Yeah. Thank you.
Have a good night.